Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron. If you're new to Vegas Pro 20 and you're trying to import MOV files, you're going to get the message like this. Warning, an error occurred while opening one or more files. That's because MOV files are supported in versions 17, 18, 19, and 20, but there's a way to turn support on. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's click OK. Go up to Options, Preferences, go to Depreciated Features, and here you have to enable the QuickTime plugin. And apply that, restart the program, and now you won't have any problems importing MOV files in Vegas. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too, link below.